Hey guys, it's time to take a look at the top 5 features of the perfect Galaxy, aka the Samsung Galaxy S9, aka the most expensive Samsung phone ever. Yes, the pricing has just been revealed. The Galaxy S9 will be costing 841 euros, which is almost $1,000, while the Galaxy S9 Plus is costing 997 euros, which is somewhere around $1,200. Insane price jump it is, but let's see what these phones has to offer. We're gonna be talking about the top 5 main new features of the S9 family, and this year is all about improving the last year's beast, adding things that we haven't seen on any Samsung phone before. The aim is to make the most complete phone out there. Alright, first feature is the addition of dual stereo speakers. For the first time, we have a dual stereo speaker system on the Samsung Galaxy S flagship. There's now a much wider and bigger speaker hole at the bottom of the phone, and the secondary sound will come through the earpiece. If you compare a top Samsung phone like the Galaxy Note 8 against the major competitors such as the Pixel 2 XL or the iPhone 10, you'll see that both of them have stereo speakers, but the Note 8 and the S8 only had one speaker, hence the speaker performance was weak. So finally, the dual AKG tuned stereo speakers are here, which are much louder and clearer. Moving on to the next feature, which is the chip gains. The performance on the Galaxy S9 is about 30% faster than the previous generation. Along with that, these new chips supports full 3D facial recognition and optical fingerprint scanner. The US model will have Snapdragon 845 processor, while the international model will rock Exynos 9810. Usually both chips are equal in terms of numbers, but this time the Exynos model is significantly better than the Snapdragon one when it comes to the single core score. Now while these numbers are great, I'm sure the performance in real life will still be very close to the current generation. I'm a speed test guy, I've tested so many phones on the channel, and I recently compared the Galaxy S7 Edge to the S8, and even after almost 2 years, the S7 Edge performs extremely close to the S8. The S9 family will be faster in terms of game loading times and boot up times, but the difference might not be super huge. The best thing about this new chipset is actually the battery life. Yes, the second generation 10nm CPUs are actually a lot efficient than the previous ones. Both S9 and S9 Plus are expected to give more battery usage. In fact, the Galaxy S9 Plus, according to a early S9 Plus user, gave 36 hours of battery time, which is about 1.5 days. That is seriously impressive. Battery sizes are same, but the overall battery life has been improved by 20% on both models through software and hardware improvements. At number 3, we have the new intelligent scan. The Galaxy S9 features a new iris camera technology, which basically uses both facial and iris scanner to do an intelligent scan. It scans your eyes and facial features at the same time to secure your phone. It's been said that not only is it more secure compared to the last generation, but it's also faster. The iris scanner is now having a 3 megapixel resolution sensor compared to the 2 megapixel of the last year's model. According to Samsung, this is the most secure form of facial/iris unlocking that they have ever implemented on any of their phones. More accurate, more secure, and faster than the previous generation. At number 4, variable aperture and super slow-mo beast. The Galaxy S9 is all about camera. It's having the biggest camera evolution since the Galaxy S7. We have a 12-megapixel camera on the back with a record-setting f/1.5 aperture, and it's controllable, changeable aperture, meaning user can set how much light is allowed to enter the sensor. At f/1.5, the low light camera game has been taken to the next level. It has 25% less noise reproduction in very low light scenes. The camera has 10-bit color reproduction compared to the 8-bit of the Galaxy S8, which means that it'll be more color accurate, and you will definitely notice the difference side by side. Also, a new HDR processing feature similar to the Pixel's HDR Plus that will make the picture super high quality, making it more attractive. The new dual pixel autofocus system has been updated as well for even faster autofocus and better stability focus for videos. And speaking of videos, the Galaxy S9 is a slow-mo beast. We have 960 frames per second slow-mo video performance for the first time on a Samsung phone. The slow-mo feature is taken to a beastly level. Near 1000 frames per second slow-mo feature is one of the main highlights of the camera, and along with this, you will also get other options such as 720p at 480 fps and 1080p at 240 fps. Galaxy S9 is also the first phone from Samsung to shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And number 5, we have 3D animated stickers. Now both front and back cameras are equipped with depth sensing sticker features, or you can say 3D emojis. Users will be able to add stickers or images to a photograph and then adjust the depth of it. You will also be able to create your own custom avatar based on your own facial features. The idea is similar to Apple's Animoji, but it is a little bit different with the execution. But yeah, if you're excited for the 3D animated stuff, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus both will be able to provide that. So yeah guys, these are the top 5 features of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. My favorite feature out of these is the addition of the dual stereo speaker system, which is a much needed feature again, like I said, and everything that they have added with the camera, the variable aperture, and the super slow-mo feature. So they are undoubtedly the most complete phones on the market, but things have gone expensive. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, what you think about the Galaxy S9 family, and let me know what is your favorite feature out of these, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.